So as the title says, I'm not buying the Mini 5 Pro. Now, we're only talking, if you watch the video that I'm making now, which we won't, it's only 3 weeks away, guys. I think the date they've set now is the 7th of August. I'm sure I got that date right. I worked it out. From today, it's 21 days. But anyway, the main reason why one, I'm not buying the Mini 5 Pros because I said a while back, I think it's about 6 months ago, I said that there would never be a Mini 5 Pro. I just didn't think DJI would do a Mini 5 Pro. I thought maybe they have a Mini Zoom or something like that, a different name, like the Neo and the Flip. But no, the Mini 5 Pro is coming. And I can definitely say it's coming because I've seen more and more images, and when they do that, you just know it's going to come quite soon. Now, there was on about September, but for some reason they brought it forward. Maybe it's to do with the American market, I don't know, because they need to start making some more money. So, yeah, the first reason I said I was going to eat my hat. And that ain't, guys, that ain't going to happen. I did think of things. I could get an eatable hat. Somebody did say I could try like those little fancy cakes that looks like a hat. And the second reason, and this is what I said, I wouldn't buy the Mavic 4 Pro, which I did, didn't I? Is because it's still got the RC2 controller, and it looks like with this Mini 5 Pro, because I heard nothing about the controllers, it does look like you're going to get the RC2 controller. And I don't care what people said, it's been a bit glitchy over the time it's been out. Okay, nothing major, most of it doesn't really affect the drone, but it's had some silly little issues with it. And I think the latest one, and I've seen a few channels on that, where people have actually had to factory reset the controller to get it back to properly walking. I'm talking about changing your home point. Ever since they put that onto the controller and they did an update, some people, no problem, and other people have been having problems. And by doing the factory reset, it's all been sorted. But you shouldn't need to do that. But anyway, it does look like it's coming with the RC2. And I don't want another RC2 controller. It looks like it's going to be an RCN3 controller, no doubt. And obviously the other one is the posh new one, the Pro controller, that I've already got. So what I want to know from you lot out there, do you think I'm not going to get the Mini 5 Pro? I'm not going to eat me out. I'll try, or I've just said it, haven't I? But yeah, do you think I'm not going to get the Mini 5 Pro, or do you think I am going to get the Mini 5 Pro? That's the first questions. Guys, what's your thoughts? Are you going to buy the Mini 5 Pro? I mean, I know people are still saving up for the Mini 4 Pro, and you can get some amazing deals. I saw the other day on Amazon that you could get the Mini 4 Pro with the, I think it's an RCN3 controller, 580. That's on Amazon. I don't know how long that's going to last for. I thought that was a brilliant bargain, because that drone is top of the spec at the moment. I would imagine, obviously, the Mini 5 is going to overtake that, but then is it going to be an upgrade or a huge upgrade? Because all I'm hearing at the moment, it's possible you're going to get in this 1-inch sensor camera. Okay, the flight time I'm not bothered about. They all say, oh, you're going to get 15 minutes and you end up still getting 30 minutes. And no doubt they're going to throw in a couple of gizmo things. But yeah, am I getting it? Or am I not? I am not getting it. As always, guys, there's going to be another video coming right sooner.